We have already covered present tense when we changed ending of the verb based on the subject. Я делаю, ты делаешь, and all these forms. The way to show action in the past is actually very simple and has less options. Please look at the screen. First, you need to define what was the root of the verb without infinitive ending to, and then add small set of letters at the end. If the doer of the action in the past was masculine, you simply add letter L. And in this example, you come to word делал. Since we've learned personal pronouns он, она, оно, and они, you can easily understand why do we add la for female subjects, lo for everything that is neutral, and li for plurals. And this way of adjusting the ending is universal for almost all Russian verbs. Usually in the sentence we have words that help us to define the time. For example, yesterday, вчера. Вчера он работал. Дети вчера играли. Она еще не знала, а я уже знал. And one more use case of past tense is to say that you had something in the past. Please look at the screen. You already remember this construction. У меня есть. That we translated as there is something next to me. Why did we use word есть in this template? We did it because есть is universal form of verb to be in present tense. This is really special verb, but it still has infinitive form that we need to remember. This infinitive form is быть. And like we do it with other Russian verbs, we replace infinitive ending to with correct ending of past tense based on what is the object that somebody had previously. У него был телефон. Был, because telephone is word of masculine gender in Russian. У него была газета. Была, because newspaper is word of feminine gender in Russian. У него было вино. Было, because wine is word of neutral gender. У него были джинсы. Были, because jeans is plural word. Now please look at some examples where we'll combine these two constructions in the past tense. Сегодня понедельник, и он работает. Но вчера было воскресенье, и он не работал. We use было, because воскресенье is neutral gender, and не работал, because he was doing an action. Вчера была суббота, и мы отдыхали. У нас вчера были гости. We use была, because суббота is female gender, отдыхали, because we've been doing an action, and plural guests came to us yesterday. That's why we use word были. У тебя есть телефон? Да. А вчера у тебя был телефон? Да, вчера тоже был. This dialogue is about telephone, which has masculine gender. Мы вчера были в кино. Было очень интересно. Here in the second sentence, we use neutral form было because we do not specify the subject and use adverb интересно that describes general state of yesterday's event.